quick fire round, okay? So if you could have any vehicle, Dave?
Anything.
Anything.
Or car and motorbike.
Oh, anything.
Truck.
Anything requires you to control it.
I've been very, very lucky. I've got probably the fastest race truck ever built that I've got, that I keep for taking out on special occasions.
Yeah.
I've had the privilege to ride some fast motorbikes on track days and things like that, but I think I've grown out of motorbikes now. I think when I grew up, I always wanted a red Porsche 911, and I had a red Porsche 911 when I was 25. Wish I never sold that. So now I'm fast approaching 50. I think I'm in the market for another red 911.
Is that what you're going to do?
Another red 911.
Is that what you're doing?
So
I think that's got to be me. I've been a me for a while.
Tidy, you
Fair
guy.
play.
What do you think?
I'm like mad for Volvos.
Yeah,
I've got
You've got your T5, haven't you? Yeah.
Well, yeah, my 850 N-Reg. Yeah, but I mean, that's
Still got your Amazon?
Yeah, my 68 Amazon. That's my min. But then that's not. It's mine.
Yeah.
I own it, but it wasn't. I bought it off a bloke that did it.
Yeah.
So really, my favourite car will be the car I'm building next, which is, you'd have to say Escort RS Cosworth with a back cut off. It's a pickup Escort RS Cosworth, but it's got Nissan GTR V6 in the back, Lamborghini transaxle, electric motor system in the front. Yeah. So when I've got that done, it's a few years down the road. When that's done, that's what they've got.
That's what you're aspiring to.
Yeah.
And I thought my new 911 was a ridiculous dream.
It will be done. It's a dream, but it will be done.
More chance.
It will be done. It will be done.
That's brilliant. Yeah, okay, tidy. Thanks, gents. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Thank you.